Alright, good morning guys. It is Tuesday and we are heading off to do the Waterfall circuit. Now, anyone that's been up to the Tablelands has probably done the Waterfall circuit, but if you haven't been up to the Tablelands in North Queensland, come with us today because we're going to go and check out at least 6, if not probably 7 or 8 waterfalls today. We're going to start with the waterfall called Mangaly Falls. So come with us if you like waterfalls. Even if you don't like waterfalls, it's going to be fun. We're going to go for some swim, we're going to put the drone up, we're going to get some awesome footage and yeah, go and have a look around. Come with us. Not a bad way to start the waterfall circuit. Mangaly Falls, that is where we're at. You can go swimming in here. Obviously do a little bit of construction just down here, but pretty good. I love a waterfall. We're at the next one. Where are we?
A waterfall.
We're at, yeah, it's the waterfall. Mangaly Falls, this one. So this one's pretty good. This one's probably one of the most photographed waterfalls up here on the Tablelands. So, I can hear it. You might be able to hear it. Let's go and have a look. Alright guys, we're at Zilly Falls now, and she's running too, so let's go and have a look, eh? I'm not sure whether you can see that or not, but damn, that's pretty specky. Alright guys, we've made it down the bottom. How was that?
Oh,
with your climbing boots on, but it was worth it. Have a go.
You do climb up from that.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
The Ewan.
That's worth the climb down.
The Ewan. We climbed up from that.
We had to climb up from down there where Alison is. Got unreal.
Roll it.
Woo! still with us, we are at the next one, Mangaly Falls. More of rapids, I would say, this one, but still beautiful. Not bad at all. So it pays to look around. We were just about to leave here, and then I was like, sounds like there's a bigger waterfall. And yeah, come for a walk through the little restaurant and spotted this. Alright guys, well this one's not a waterfall, but it's just as good. I want you to check this out, take this in. It's not bad, eh? So this is the last waterfall for the day. Can't even remember the name of it. What's the name of this one, Dale? Diner? Hey? Dinner Falls. Dinner Falls. And it's not bad. Alright, another day, another adventure. Today we are off to a few places, but we just arrived at our first destination.
Coffee Works.
Coffee Works in Mareeba. So, I've heard good things. Heard the chocolate's good and the coffee's good, so can't complain. So these guys. So let's go and have a look. I'm looking forward to. I can see I'm going to spend a fortune in here with this one, on this coffee lover.
We'll see.
I'm older than that. Oh wait, are you making? You have a look at it.
hand.
The chocolate shop.
Chocolate wax.
Dad,
Oh, and it's air conditioned and it smells amazing.
Dad, I want this.
You want everything.
Yeah.
Look
It's
at
a bit
this.
chilly.
Oh my god.
Everything is chocolate. I don't really like the smell.
It's like the Willy Wonka.
But is that a crocodile? It's a crocodile! Peyton! It's a crocodile! I know. This is butterfly. Mom, we got find the last one that sent butterflies.
Oh my god. I'm stuck with
Chocolate for breakfast. You want to try mint one? Mint.
Can I try?
Really good. Oh my god.
The chocolate people.
What is yours? Try it.
Good.
And then there's mint.
Hello.
Oh my god.
Mom, when are you gonna
Well, we're doing a tasting.
We're doing a tasting of some liqueurs.
So we have,
We're going to start at this end.
we're starting at this end.
Oh, coffee, gold top coffee liqueur, 18%.
this is your
Black
favourite.
top, 22. Silver top, 18%. Gold
your
silver top,
coffee
22%.
tasting
And latte is 22%.
Oh my god. Hope I can drive after this. Alright, so we're all coffeeed out, had a quick sausage roll, and now we're out to another one of my favourite spots, Davies Creek. You'll see why in a second. It is mid. Beautiful running creek. This is at the bottom, but you can go all the way up to the top of the waterfalls. And it's good to see it running because it is very dry up here at the moment. Go with that. Are you actually serious? I forgot how awesome this place is. Even when it's quite dry, there's still water running and heaps of little places to go for a swim. Oh my God. Man, I miss this place. Oh. It just keeps going and going, and we're going to be driving all the way up the top here up to the waterfall. But it's pretty bloody good, isn't it? Let me know in the comments, guys, if you've been to Davies Creek, North Queensland, and what you thought of it. I know there's plenty of other nice places, but I don't know. Our daughter had our youngest daughter had our first swim here. So this place is pretty special to us, and got a lot of memories coming up here with friends, with family. It's pretty bloody good. You know what, it doesn't matter where you find a spot to sit down and cool off. It is cold. Oh, it's about 30 degrees right now, and this water would be like 20. Freezing. Anyway. Oh, far out.
We're over there, Dad. Look, maybe we can see better. We're so high.
Alright, so we've finished swimming. Now we've come up to the top and have a go at the view. It's unreal. So this is the same creek we're on. We're at Davies Creek Lookout. And that's Davies Creek down there. Runs all the way down the valley and down the bottom where we were swimming. How cool is that? Let's go and actually have a look at the waterfall. So there's a waterfall lookout up here. You can just see it through there. How's this for a spot for a fucking swim? Woohoo! Unreal.